Are you struggling with constant ear ringing, muffled sounds, or other hearing issues? In just 90 seconds, I'll introduce you to Quietum Plus, a breakthrough supplement designed to support ear health and improve hearing clarity. Whether you're dealing with tinnitus or want to enhance your auditory wellness, this product might be the solution you've been searching for. So what exactly is Quietum Plus? It's a natural dietary supplement crafted to support your ear health using a blend of herbs, vitamins, and antioxidants. This isn't just about treating your ears, but improving your overall well-being. Let's talk about what makes Quietum Plus so unique. This supplement is packed with powerful natural ingredients like Maca root, known for its anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties, helping to reduce ear ringing and promote nerve health. Quai enhances blood circulation, crucial for maintaining optimal ear function. Together, these ingredients improve hearing clarity, reduce tinnitus, and support long-term ear health. Imagine how much better life could sound with some extra help from Quietum Plus. Using Quietum Plus is simple and hassle-free. Just take 2 capsules daily with a meal, for at least 90 days for best results. Consistency is key here. By making this a part of your daily routine, you'll give your body the support it needs to experience noticeable results over time. And here's the best part, Quietum Plus has a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free and see how it works. To ensure you get the authentic product, purchase directly from the official website. We've included the link in the description below. Don't let hearing issues hold you back. Give your ears the care they deserve today.